Boom, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm just going to show you how much it costs to start affiliate marketing. And I want to do this as fast as possible to keep you, to respect your time. And really, because you'll be watching this video, I know that one of your questions that you're going to have is, Cameron, how much does this all cost to run and to set up? So this is what I'm going to show you, my friend, and I hope you enjoy it, because it took me time to really learn this for myself. And really, you can start for zero investment, but it's not really the best way. If you want to build a business, something that's going to be there long term, it's going to be your stake in the ground, where you're like, boom, this is what I do, this is what I stand for, I'm open up for shop and all this here stuff. So the first way is the free way, and it's not really the best way that I really want to teach you. And it's just so simple in the fact that you can go to a company like Bluehost. Now, if you don't know what Bluehost is, say it's a hosting company that hosts websites. So you can go there and become an affiliate, zero cost. You can get that affiliate link and you can find someone who needs a website, and you can ask them, oh, do you need a website? And they say, yes, I need a website. And then you can say, okay, I'll get your website. You don't even need the people to build a website. And you can go to this company and you can say, look, this guy needs a website. His business is a restaurant. And they're like, okay, we can build a restaurant website. And they build the restaurant website and they build the code. And then you can go and give the code to this guy. And then you can use your affiliate link. And you can use the affiliate link for them to host the website. Now, when he uses your affiliate link, boom, you can make a commission. And that's it in its simplest form on how you can do it for free, zero investment. You can literally do that there and make money. And that's the easy way, I would say. It's not really lasting. You want something that's going to be for the long term, something that's sustainable, something that you don't always have to go out there and work and grind all the time. And this is what I want to show you right now, because affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to get into building an internet business, and simply for the fact that it has so low overhead costs. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you here, my friend. So if you just want to watch the screen. Alright, my friend, so this is the Affiliate Secrets Blueprints, and you're going to see me harping on about these here, because this is what it all is based around. And if you need to follow along for these blueprints, you can go and pick them up at CameronLimitless.com/ultimate secrets book, and you'll get the most up-to-date relevant blueprints for building an affiliate marketing business. And what it all starts with is this here. So you've probably already seen this before on another video. Now, this is the big question, and it's how much does it all cost to build this thing? And I'm going to walk you through this right now. So you can see here where it says find training and tools here. So I'm going to open this link up here, and I'm going to show you exactly, how you could get started for, I wouldn't say the least cost, because it's not really what I want to teach you here, but I'm going to show you how low a cost it is to really start. And if you go to CameronLimitless.com/resources, you can see hand selected resources that I highly recommend. And the very first thing up there is an email marketing software, and this is going to be your autoresponder. And there's 3 different ones here. Now, I'm not saying go and get all 3, because you don't need all 3, you only need one. So the first one that I ever started with was GetResponse, and GetResponse is actually only about £12 per month, and this is where you're going to build your email list. And my friend, you can actually build yourself a landing page to collect people's emails from in that software. So there you go. What have you got here? From that one software alone, you've got all this here, and you've got this here, these first 2 pages. And maybe you could build one of these, but you wouldn't be the very best. I wouldn't say that they're the best of the best to be building landing pages on. But yes, they're very, very good at what they do, and what they do is collect emails and send out emails for you on automation. Now, that's the first tool that you can see here on the resources. The tool that I highly recommend at the minute, because I'm a little bit more advanced now, is ConvertKit, and ConvertKit has worked really well for me because of the deliverability and the emails. They just look really good. And then there's Aweber, and Aweber I haven't used, but I know a lot of people do like that there. And I think that the automation in Aweber, I don't think there is any automation and things like that there, but it's there as well if you want to have a look at it. But you only need one of these softwares, and in this software you can actually do this first 2 steps, which is build your opt-in page and then collect emails and send them emails, and that there is alone is only £12 a month, and that can get you started. Now this here one, it's a little bit more expensive, but it is a lot better. It's got better deliverability, and the emails look really nice as well. Now the second part is really when it comes to this direct response marketing, and this is what it all starts with, especially if you're a small business and you need to really work most efficiently. And this is when you can start and build this here really well, these opt-in pages and these other pages, and then these other more advanced pages that you're on probably right now watching this video. So this is the next highly recommended resource, and this here, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's not that expensive, my friend. It works out at about $97 per month, which that on top of the 12, we're still way under £100 a month. Now the third tool that you'll need is your click tracking software, and really you maybe did not notice that from the blueprints, but how we're actually going to improve this thing to the absolute moon is by using this click tracking software. And if you haven't seen that before, I would highly suggest going to the tracking software link. You don't have to get the free trial, but go there and watch the video, and it'll explain a lot better than me what that software does. And it's really so that you can really see what people are doing, where people are clicking, what's working better, what's not working so well, so you don't do any more of what's not working, you do more of what is working, and then you'll just keep getting better and better at what you're doing, and then your results will get better, and you'll be able to see, right, because I done that, this happened, so I'm going to do more of that. So this is why it's so important to have your ROI tracker, which is return on investment and tracker, especially if you're going to go out there and start doing any paid advertising. And pretty much I'm going to show you in a slide here in a second a breakdown of each of the individual tools and how much they cost, and then a total cost to run it per month. But then, like I said before, you want to have, this is your internet business. Now here's the Bluehost, which is the hosting, and this is like your parking spot on the internet. And to host your website, which you can see here, we're on CameronLimitless.com, and what it cost me to have this website up and running for the whole year is literally like £100 for the year. Now that works out at like £8, £7 a month, which is really inexpensive. And then the last and final thing that you're going to want, my friend, is the custom code, the theme for your website. Now you can go here, and the custom theme for a website, you can actually get a theme for free. If you go to Bluehost, you'll be able to go through Bluehost, and then you'll be able to make a WordPress website. Now it's a little bit more technical and harder. You probably have to pay someone to build you a website, but here is actual custom code, which is kind of like plug and play, and you just add in your words. This is exactly what I use here. This is an eStage theme, and it's just custom code that you just copy and paste into your WordPress site. And this here right now is really inexpensive as well, and I'm going to show you here on this slide on the next page how much it all costs broken down. Alright, my friend, so this is everything that you'll have to pay for to really run an affiliate entrepreneur business, or even any internet business, no matter what the product is you're selling, if it's your own or if it's someone else's. Now the first thing, like I said before, this is in pounds, but I'll tell you how much it is in dollars as well if you're America. But you can see here it says website funnels works out about £75.29p per month. And then we've got the email autoresponder, which works out about £22, the one I use, which is ConvertKit, works out at $22.50. Then you've got the link tracker, which works out about £20.97p per month. And then the website hosting, after you get the custom code, works out at £6.44, which is the total monthly cost for your overheads for an affiliate business at £125.21p. This is how much I pay every single month just to cover the cost to running my internet business. And on the next page, this is the second investment that you're going to have to make then, which is either free methods to bring visitors to your website, or you can do paid advertisements. Now there's pros and cons to each, and we'll talk about that a little bit later, because I think it's still too early to be really talking about how are we going to bring visitors to our business. How are you going to bring visitors to your business? And really, this was the cost for the successful campaign launch tools, which is website funnels, email autoresponder, custom tracking, and traffic and conversion blueprints. If you're following the blueprints, my friend, it's a proven path to follow. And you can see here that your total overhead costs compared to, say, a service-based business where you've got a whole bunch of employees, you've got to be paying massive overheads for your office, things like this here. This is pretty much how much it costs to run an internet business per month. 125 quid. That's how much it's costing me to run everything that you can see. And that there, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you want to find out more as well, I left a little link to the training as well. The button should say something like change your life now, and this is going to show you exactly the real deep strategies on really how do you make this whole thing work. Now, I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure and keep an eye out for your next email. The next email that you'll be receiving, it's going to have a little surprise in there for you. And have a great one. Take care, my friend. Peace.